some gas on.
Smooth, you know. Obviously, you catch them nice, but power will just. That's it.
Some gas on. My fault. Right there, no panic zone, you feel me? I like that little shortcut there. First and never catch him, you feel me? Down. What the fuck you doing, bro?
I was like, it's about to go down.
What? You think you're bad, bro? You think you're bad, sir? Pull up. This guy really wants to smoke, man. Pull up, you fucking faggot. Pull up, you faggot. Fucking faggot, bro. I didn't want that smoke, bro. Pussy over. Try the thing, is it done? Where you going, bro? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Get out your car. Get out your fucking car, you pussy. Get out your car. Get out your car, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Get out your car, bro. Get out your car, man. Get out your car, bro. I don't care. Get out your car. You think you're bad, yeah? Get out your car, bro. You think you're a bad man? Get out your car. I don't give a fuck, bro. Was you trying to park or something? Get out your car. Get out your car. Get out your car, bro. Get out the car. Why are you going on bad? There's a traffic light. You're trying to take man out or something. Fucking faggot, bro. Bro, you're swerving left for what reason? You were swerving for what reason? Bro, there's not a right turn there, bro. You're dumb. Yo, Rick, what's wrong with this fucking guy, bro?
Pull up, man. Don't worry, man.
Faggot, bro. This guy just pulled up on a mats and tried to take me out.
Where?
Just there, bro, like some weirdo, fam.
Man, it's not working, man. What's this thing saying, anyway?
It's alright, man. Bro, this guy pissed me off, bro.
Wow, where was it?
Bro, he just like, imagine everyone's going straight. This guy just swerves because he sees me.
What, as in, well, that way?
Yeah, we're coming this way.
No, no,
Bro, I pulled out, jumped out the car. This guy started blowing. I said, yo, where you going, man? I'm looking for him. I've been looking.
Yeah, he said there, he's like, yo, I ain't a bad man. He didn't want to smoke.
Come, man. Good seeing you, my bro, yeah?
Man, yo, link up soon, man. Catch up soon, yeah?
Yeah, man. What the fuck you doing, bro? Hey! Bro, what's everyone trying to kill me, fam?